So, ladies and gentlemen, on this question right here, it's very, very simple. All they're asking for is domain and range, right? Domain and range. And this is a piecewise function. And it might seem a little funky to you guys because there's no arrows, but technically there should be arrows right here that it continues forever in both directions. So this one's an open dot, but that one's a closed dot. So when we're talking about domain, the domain are your x values. And we know that this right here is the x-axis, what runs left to right. And the range are the y values, and there's a y right here, it already shows you y is up and down. So when it comes to left and right, when it comes to the domain, when it comes to the x values, what are you going to say? Does it go to the left forever? Yes, it does. Does it go to the right forever? Yes, it does. Are there any like holes in the graph itself? Any missing values? No. You're thinking, oh, there's a hole right here. No, but up here there's a solid dot. So for each input, there's exactly one output, right? So the domain really is x equals all real numbers. So it's really simple. How about the range? What do you guys say the range is? It's the same deal, right? All real numbers. Thank you very much. Yeah, range is all real numbers as well. And it's that simple. Could you believe there's going to be an easy question like that on the final? I can't. That's like free points right there. Moving on. Still with piecewise functions. It says select the following true statements regarding the domain and range of the above piecewise function. Okay, so this is more with regards to domain and range. But they want us to select all the true statements. Now, on the final exam, you don't have select all and then submit. That doesn't, it's just a straight up old-fashioned classic 4-option multiple choice test. So let's read this first option. Is the domain x is less than or equal to 4? Well, domain are your x values, and that's not it, okay? So that's definitely not true. We know that this goes to the left forever, and we know that this goes to the right forever. So the domain should be all real numbers, and that's what this one says down here. So you would select this one, check mark, select, whatever. What else? It says the range right here, the range, y cannot be between 0 and -1. The y values cannot be between 0 and -1. Well, it looks like there's a hole right there on the y values, but this one does go down and eventually will fill that gap. So that's not true either. So we said this one didn't work. This one doesn't work. The next one, the range y equals all real numbers. Does this graph really go up and down forever? And the answer is no, right? The answer is no. It goes down forever because it'll continue to go this way down forever, but it doesn't go up forever. Right here it stops. This is like a maximum value, okay? The maximum height is at 4, right? It doesn't go above 4 ever. There is no arrow pointing up, right? Not even this way. It doesn't go up. It goes straight flat this way. So that's definitely incorrect. And the last one, the range, it's saying that the y value has to be, your y values have to be less than or equal to 4, and that is a true statement. The maximum y value is at 4, and everything else is below, right? Now you're probably thinking, oh, doesn't it stop right here? No, it continues to go down, but not over here. It continues to go down over here. Nevertheless, it does go down forever. So yes, y is less than or equal to 4. So you would check this one off and then hit the submit button, and you'll be good to go. Now that's only on the practice final. On the actual final, it's just a classic 4-option multiple choice. So you just pick one and you're done, okay? Right here, you would select both of those.